channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to do my hair using this one or curl iron. It has the three. A few of you guys, I posted a video a week ago and someone asked me, requested for me to do how to do my hair, how I did my hair. Very popular or trend or something, because I seen a lot of people using this one. I bought it in Amazon. I will put the link in the description box so you guys could go and check it out in case you are curious or try it for yourself. So I will show you this. So yes, let's just begin. Before we begin, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell so you could get a notification every time I post a video. No further ado, let's just begin. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to brush my hair. See, I'm not really good on doing hair, guys. So I get very bored very quick. I'm very surprised that I did that because it takes a while. With this, it takes a long time. So I am not just gonna sit the whole video and show the whole thing. I'm gonna speed up everything, but at the beginning I'm gonna show you how I do it. So I brush my hair, and so I'm just going to start from the bottom. I'm gonna pick this much because, like I said, I have a very long hair and very low patience, and I really like, I've seen people that just do a little bit, but I am not gonna do a little bit, and I'm not gonna try to do it perfect either, because that's not the person I am. Like I said, I am not a hair tutorial person. I'm not very good on, like, I have zero patience on doing hair. So, but you guys requested this video, so I would show you guys very quick. So I'm just gonna put this down. Ooh, it's hot. And the heat I'm using is 210. So I'm just going to go and use that. I think I should use more than that because this thing is pretty big, but I'm just gonna go ahead and please be careful, you guys, do not get burned. Let me look at my mirror over here. Ooh, because I mean this thing is huge. So hopefully I don't start from like all the way to like see, I let the space because I don't want to go too close to my hair. I don't like to put too much heat on my hair. You could tell because my hair is so dark. You see the wave over here, so you're gonna have to, let me show you. So you're gonna put this on this one, so you have that, you know, so like that, like there you go, see. And I am not going to go all the way to the end of my hair because this is the part that it gets very dry, and I don't want to put too much heat on the end, and I don't want to put a lot of heat close to my head. I'm very picky with my hair, so I am going to leave this much. And let me get closer so you guys can see. And there you have. It's so pretty, but it takes a long time, especially if you have long thick hair. It will take longer, but at the end it looks beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab another piece. No, that's too big. That's too much. Hold on. That much. And do the same. Oh, I don't want to grab that. All right, so let's just, did I leave anything behind? See, I can't see too because the lighting, the ring light is blinding me, so I can't really see much. So I have to kind of like look down here in my mirror. So if I don't look at you guys, it's because I'm looking at my mirror. Plus, you have to pay attention, because if you don't pay attention, you could eventually burn yourself with this thing. Like, you have to be careful. Look how big this thing is. So you do that again. See, this is how much I leave. That's how much space I leave. Ooh. Make sure you don't get it close to your face. I almost did that. I'm scared. And that. You see how much smoke comes out? I don't know if you guys saw that, but it just went. I don't like to put too much heat, but since I haven't done my hair in a while, I just let it air dry and just put it in a bun. I don't mind doing this now because I haven't done anything with this hair. Just wash it and just put it in a bun. You see how pretty that is? Oh my god, it is so gorgeous, but it's time consuming, but it is gorgeous. I'm gonna do one more and I'm gonna speed the whole thing. Let's see how I grab this and not getting this confused with my hair. So then you just brush. Oh, no, 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 no. So you just go ahead and brush. And I'm gonna get closer so you guys can see. It's getting all crazy right here, right now, see? And I don't mind, like it doesn't have to be perfect. I don't do perfect hair ever, not like the professional hairstylist. I don't really care if it's perfect or not. That's not that kind of. Now makeup, probably yes, to me it had to be perfect, but look how pretty it is. It's so gorgeous. I can't wait for you guys to see the final look. Go ahead and speed up the whole thing. I'm gonna do this whole entire side with it's gonna be all like speeding, and then I'm just gonna slow go back here and show you guys how I did this side, and then we're just gonna speed the whole thing because if not, it's gonna take me forever to finish this, and the video will probably be super long. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how I do the top part of this side. So what I'm going to do, because this is how much I have left, and you can tell how beautiful that looks. So this is how much I have left, so I'm just going to divide it half like that, and I'm going to hold this section. I don't want to lose this section. It's very hard to do this when you're doing it on your own. Like I said, I don't go all the way to the top. I seen people, they do go all the way to the top, but I don't. I don't want to burn. I don't want to how you say, kill the follicles that you have in your hair, like right here. Like, I don't want to do that, because since I do blow dry my hair, I don't want to put too much heat on top. So I just go like that. Like I say, I am not trying to do a professional hairstyle. I'm just trying to do something to have something different instead of the same hairstyle I usually have, because normally that's pretty much what I do. I wash my hair, blow dry my hair, and keep it straight the same way you guys have seen it on many of my videos, unless I use, like, you know, like the one and curl my hair very quick. But I really don't put too much effort on my hair unless I go to the hair salon, and I've hardly ever. I think the last time I went to a hair salon was when, because I cut my own hair. When I was blonde, when my hair was blonde, that's the only time I go to a hair salon. So now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I do this part right here. Got this much, see? And do that. I am sweating in here right now. I have all my windows open and the weather is perfect and it's beautiful outside. If you can hear the birds, if you could hear them, I don't know. And with this big thing, it's making me hot, and all this lighting. And see, I leave this much since this is pretty, like you could say, the bangs. I just leave this much. And that's it. That's about it. That's how much. That's what I do with my hair. Look how beautiful it turned out. I don't want to touch it because it's still hot. Then I would just. It is gorgeous. Love it. All right. So let's just move on to the next section. I want to go ahead and do this side, this section over here, and please be careful because it is very hard to do this with, since this is not your hand. I'm right hand side, not left, so it's pretty hard to do this. There you go. Probably not going to be that perfect on this side just because, which I could just go this way. I guess I'm going to try that way in my next section. Love it. Now I have a lot of hair with this. It makes my hair even thicker. Did not turn out that bad. Pretty good. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and speed up this whole thing because it's almost pretty much the same thing I did with this side, and I will stop it when I reach the top so you guys see, have an idea how I did the top on this side of my head. So I'm gonna go ahead now and divide it like I did on the other side. So I'm gonna put this side over here, and I'm going to go ahead and curl this section right here. Look how gorgeous that looks. Tell me that doesn't look pretty. So this section right here that is pretty much on my face. So I see like I leave this space right there. And that's about it. That's all I do to my hair, and look how beautiful it turned out. I don't know, I hope you guys can tell. Look how gorgeous that is. It looks beautiful, beachy wave. Yes, and of course it took, I don't even know how long it took, but it took a pretty long time. And to try to keep me sitting here for quite some time, I mean, it is something, but it is worth it. It is gorgeous. It turned out very nice. I don't put anything else. I don't even brush it out, because eventually, you know, the bouncing and going in and outside, and you know, it's gonna fall off a little bit. So I don't brush it. I seen people they do brush it. I don't brush it. I have seen people they put like some type of oil, but I just leave it like that. Like I said, I don't do too much with my hair. It's not supposed, I don't try to make it look perfect at all. I am not a hairdresser. This is what I do. Even if I do like the regular curl iron, the wand, I don't put anything. I don't do hairspray, I don't do oils, I don't do anything. I just leave it natural, very natural. I just like it like that. And yeah, and I mean, it's enough with the heat that you put it on. I don't need to add extra stuff on my hair. I like to keep it, I'm very picky when it comes to my hair. So yes, guys, this is all I do. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did video, please give a thumbs up. That will really help me out. Comment down below if you have any other video requests. Please do not forget to hit that little bell so you could get a notification every time I post a video. And yes, I'm going to go ahead and put the link of this one, and if I don't, if it's sold out, or I'm going to try to find something that is similar to this one, and I will put it in the description box. And yes guys, I hope you have a beautiful day. Love you guys.